VIKSAT initiated Anand Shala se Jivanshala project in 5 villages of Bawla Taluka of Ahmedabad district and 1 village of Kheda Taluka of Kheda district of Gujarat. With the support of WIN Foundation and Nisward Children Foundation to develop a model of rural sustainable water and sanitized villages. Anand Shala means school of joy and Jivanshala means a way of better living. VIKSAT implemented pilot model of school-centered Watson and behavior change initiatives through participatory visioning exercises, local capacity building and provision of support in terms of financial and technical resources. Under the project, following activities were implemented in the project villages: participatory community needs assessment, school development plan, capacity building activity for students and teachers, roof rainwater harvesting structure, and groundwater recharge in schools, improving the school environment in each village, zero solid waste management. Participatory community needs assessment. The project was initiated with participatory community needs assessment to assess the need and priorities in villages. The CNA was conducted. During CNA, qualitative and quantitative data on human development like livelihood, education, drinking water, sanitation, etc. was collected. The qualitative data was collected by conducting the interviews of Talati, Gram Sevak, Sarpanch, Anganwadi worker, and quantitative data was collected by 20% HHS samples based on the caste-wise, hamlet-wise and individual HH surveyed by using Google Forms in villages. Findings of CNA. School Development Plan. Under School Development Plans, BPS Architecture prepared a school development plan on the basis of suggestions of principal and Sarpanch, along with an account of present infrastructure. The consultation workshop on School Development Plan was organized to finalize the drawing and infrastructure planning in schools with principal, Sarpanch, representative of Nisward Foundation and VIKSAT. Sample designs of School Development Plan. Under capacity building activity for students and teachers, the awareness programs, competitions like drawing, debate and essay writings on WASH were organized. Video screening on RRWH and WASH issues were done, and snakes and ladders game were played in schools with students. To increase awareness on water and sanitation, good hygiene practices pictures were drawn to increase awareness on personal hygiene and good habits. The rallies, street play and slogans were written on the wall to spread awareness among communities. Roof rainwater harvesting structure. VIKSAT has constructed roof rainwater harvesting structure in 5 primary schools of project villages. The RRWHs have 2 storage tanks of 35,000 litre capacity of each in 5 schools. It will harvest nearly 3,40,000 litres rainwater every year. The overflow water of the storage tank is further recharged in the groundwater through recharge pit and borewell. The manual on operation and maintenance of RRWH was provided to schools. It will help them to regulate the same efficiently. Improving the school environment in each village. Based on the school development plan, the implementation of planned activities was done in all schools of project villages. 270 plants of flower, fruits and forest species were planted in schools' premises to increase the green cover in schools. The existing facilities of toilets and drinking water were renovated and made functional in schools. Brick paving was done in schools so students can easily walk during the monsoon to access the facilities. In each school, compost pit was built to dispose of midday meal waste and waste food. Hand wash and midday meal wash corner was constructed in each school to wash hands and vessels. The RRWH storage tank surface was used to construct the stages in schools, which will be used to celebrate functions. Different types of seats were constructed in each school, so the students and teachers can use for open classroom study and during the lunch break. The amphitheatre was also constructed in Kesaradi school, which can be utilized during the open classroom and functions. Zero solid waste management. Kanotar village in Bawra Taluka of Ahmedabad district has been selected as a pilot for zero solid waste management. The pilot was implemented with the support of zero emission energy. Under the SWM, the distribution of 2 dustbins for collection of dry and wet waste to each household and community dustbins were placed at common places in village and school. Door-to-door collection of garbage through tricycle, sweeping of roads and segregation of waste at workshade are done regularly.